morning, y'all. How are you doing today? So today is Sunday and it is currently 9:03. I've been away for 2 weeks and so I have quite a lot to do. I just got back yesterday and I have so much unpacking to do. Well, let me not lie, I did unpack a few things yesterday, so today I just have to unpack my clothing. Yesterday was all about my makeup, my toiletry, and then I left a mess when I left here, so like I had to get right to it. I don't have food. I want to make breakfast right now, but why is my voice so deep? Sorry. I want to make myself breakfast, but I don't have food. The only thing I have is eggs, so I think I'm just gonna have boiled eggs with tea because I don't plan on going to the shops right now. And then there's also one of the things that I do want to do today. I have to go to the shops to buy some food, and yeah, I do have to mop, like sweep and mop my place. I do want to clean the bathroom, but I'll see how I feel during the day. But yeah, those are some of my tasks that I want to get done with today. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay guys, so while my eggs are boiling, I thought I should do a mini haul. I got some stuff from SHEIN, from PeP, and from SHEIN. Mostly it's like home stuff. So the first thing that I got is this super heavy curtain. I don't have a curtain. Can you believe that? I recently moved like 2 months ago, I think, from my old place, and they had a curtain there. So really, I've never had to buy a curtain before, but then when I got to this place there was no curtain, so I got this. This was I think 400 rands from Jet Home, but I really like the quality. I love the color so much. She is so thick. And then something else that I got myself this cuties. How cute is that? I don't know if you guys can see my bedding is quite, I don't want to say boring, but yeah, something along those lines. So I got myself 2 of these. I don't know where the slip is, but I think one was 200 and something. Should I feel like changing the... Oh no, they were actually 180. Why would I think they were 260? Yeah, I found the thingy. 179.99. Right? These are cute though, right? Lastly, from Jade, I did get myself a diffuser. I got it in bergamot leaf and eucalyptus, so I'm stoked about that. This was 49.99, so 50 rands. And then I did get myself a candle. I am so scared of candles but you know, it looks so nice on other people's videos. It looks so aesthetic. I was like, no what, let me just try one out. And then this one was, what's this, 39.99. I did get a few things from PeP. I just got the Pepsi, the text, and then I got myself some gliders for my kitten, and then books. Let me do a SHEIN haul. I got my cat some stuff. So I have 2 cats, which one of them is missing, but this is another story for another day. I got a gray one and a pink one. Where is the pink bag? Oh, yesterday I already opened this one. It is quite small. I do wish I had gotten a bigger size, but it's whatever because my cat is not even sleeping in this, and I don't want them sleeping on my bed anymore because they do leave fur everywhere. And then I'll just stop that like their own dishes. They've been eating in funny looking dishes this entire time since they were babies. And then I also got smaller versions. I did get myself these plastic containers. So what I love about them is that you can plug them to the wall. I have no idea how this is supposed to work. Oh, okay, so it makes sense. So I guess I'm gonna take this, right, and then put it there, hook it, kind of remove this, and then place it against the wall. So what did I get this for again? Oh, for my hand wash. I am so disappointed because she is quite small and I think she was pricey. So there's a plastic, you remove it, place it, take my thingy and ta-da! Plastics. Hey guys, so a little update. It is 12:09 and I am still not done. So I did the bathroom. I kind of cleared it out, put some of my new stuff in there, and then I'm still not done with the curtain. I wanted to take a shower but there's no water, so that's sad, but hopefully it comes back in the evening so then I can take a shower. But for now I have to leave and go to USafe and buy food. Literally that's the only grocery shop we have where I'm at. We have another one called Costas, but like most popular one, just USafe. No ShopRite, no Pick n Pay, no Woolies, no nothing. So that's my life. I have to leave because they are closing at I think 1. So I have to leave because they're probably gonna close the door by 12:30. It's not far, it's a walking distance, like 10 minutes. And yeah, the perfume that I'm using is this, what's this, Crystal 45. It's from Eden Perfumes. This is supposed to be the dupe for Baccarat 540. I don't know what the original smells like, but yeah, I'll see you guys at the grocery store. It is currently 7:30. So a lot happened today. I did go to USafe to buy food, and then when I got back around 1 o'clock. Didn't take long at all, and the electricity was on and off until it went off for hours. And so while it was off, I just kind of like cleaned my place. I did end up putting up my curtain, and then I cleaned, I mopped, so that is out of the way. And then there was still no water, so no water, no electricity. I then decided, you know, after I finished cleaning, I then decided to get some work done, do my test and all of that. So now I'm about to take a shower and then I'm gonna have dinner. Not in the mood for cooking. Like honestly, we can cut the cameras. I am done. Also, it's so cold, and I am not sure if like weather affects lighting. So I just finished taking a shower and I'm also done making dinner. I made myself a bowl. This is lettuce, tomatoes, cheddar cheese, and then some avocado. I garnished this with just salt and black pepper. And then I am also going to use my Greek salad dressing. Then I'm just gonna have some cranberry juice.